So here we are in these awesome woods. This is actually Centennial Park in Etobicoke. That's not even that far. Just getting out and exploring a little bit today. It's a beautiful weekend. Taking some photos. Still got a few bugs out too. That shows you that it's still actually pretty mild. Anyway, back to exploring. Time for the forest. Yeah, starting this whole video thing, it's interesting. Saw some other guys doing it and thought, hey, if they can do it, why can't I? It's fun. It's a learning process. And I just like to get out and play anyway, so why not shoot some video of it? So I saw this from somewhere else. I thought it just looked pretty cool from over there. But from this angle, it's just against the green forest. Now, I'm sure it's pretty cool. But if you look around the other side, I saw this color behind it from where I was. And now it's just green. So we'll just move on. There's other cool stuff in here. Now, I'm a pretty easygoing guy, but seriously, people, pick up your trash. Come on.